Resort is back. After months of renovations, with all of their staff chipping in, the resort has reopened its doors to the public today and it looks fantastic. Well, David, it's a very exciting day today.
Absolutely, I couldn't be happier. Resort's opened on time as promised to the owners and to the world, and we've got the first guests through the door and everything's open and ready to go. We are so excited.
So talk us through some of the changes.
Look, I think the first one is when you walk in through the front doors, completely new reception desk, completely new lobby. Penguins is our new restaurant, a full buffet restaurant for breakfast, a la carte. And help yourself as well for lunchtime. We've got a new gift shop which also has a boutique in there and your local groceries. The kids play area is all refurbished. All of our entertainment and activities have been upgraded.
They've got a great kids club. Hi ladies. And you play laser tag too.
It is just amazing what's happened in the last 5 months.
Planet Chill is cooler than ever. And what about the rooms?
Oh, the rooms have had a complete makeover. They look great. So we had a complete paint throughout, all the bathrooms have been done up, all new linen throughout the property.
Everything has been deep cleaned to ensure the resort is COVID safe.
And then all the pool area has also been refurbished. When the guests walk through the door, they are going to be blown away, especially return guests, because they've seen what it was and they're going to see a completely new refreshed property. They're going to be so excited and they're going to be coming back over and over again.
Paradise Resort, it's heaven for kids and paradise for parents. For more information on the new refurbished Paradise Resort, head to mygc.com.au.